Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's on everyone's mind when it comes to electric vehicles, range. Specifically, we're going to be diving into the question, what is the range of a Tesla on a single charge? Now, I know there are a lot of different Tesla models out there, each with its own unique range. So, to keep things simple, I'm going to focus on the most popular models, the Model 3 and the Model S. Before we get into the numbers, let's talk about what factors affect a Tesla's range. Driving style. How you drive can have a big impact on your range. Aggressive acceleration, braking, and high speeds will all drain your battery faster. Terrain. Driving in hilly or mountainous areas will also use more energy than driving on flat terrain. Weather. Cold weather can reduce your range by up to 20%, while hot weather can have a smaller impact. Weight. The more weight your car is carrying, the more energy it will need to move. Air conditioning and heating. Using your climate control will also use energy. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a look at the official EPA range estimates for the Model 3 and Model S. Model 3, 358 miles, standard range, 370 miles, long range, and 311 miles, performance. Model S, 405 miles, standard range, 528 miles, long range, and 390 miles, plaid. It's important to note that these are just estimates. Your actual range will vary depending on the factors we discussed earlier. So, what does this mean for you? Well, if you're considering buying a Tesla, you need to think about how you plan to use it. If you're mostly driving around town and commuting to work, then the standard range or long range models should be fine. However, if you plan on taking long road trips, you may want to consider the Model S long range or plaid. Of course, range isn't the only thing to consider when buying an electric car. You also need to think about charging time, cost, and availability of charging stations. But overall, I think that Teslas offer a great range option for most drivers. And as battery technology continues to improve, we can expect even longer ranges in the future. So, there you have it. The range of a Tesla on a single charge. I hope this information has been helpful. And as always, be sure to do your research before making a decision about buying an electric car. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.